This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 297QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features one slideout, a Gunstock interior, sleeps 8, awning, LP detector, slideout, skylight, water heater, Colorado detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, TV antenna, stove top burner, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 297QB is 7,190 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.